1,500 meters is the distance to the runners left. The Avenger and his specialist. The Avenger. Walks in. Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We're only waiting for a specialist. And race number 6 will be ready in just a short while. Being brought forward now is specialist. He's inside, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with G.I. Jane. Break quickly restart. Mr. Dynamite Jalapeno. His specialist comes next. The Avenger, then followed by Quaker Seal. Next online is Jaden Dugo. While Bukumax is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Jalapeno by a length and a half. And in second is Mr. Dynamite moving up. Down on the inside is the Avenger, then comes G.I. Jane. Next online is Specialist, then comes Quaker Seal, then followed by Bukumax, while Jaden Dugo now racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Jalapeno by about 2 lengths, and in second is the Avenger. Mr. Dynamite is Specialist. Now rushing upon the outside. G.I. Jane is down in fifth, and in sixth comes Quaker Seal, Bukumax, while Jaden Dugo is still racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Jalapeno is Specialist now moving up on the outside, and I was saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have his Specialist by a length and a half. Jalapeno in second, moving up G.I. Jane, Mr. Dynamite, the Avenger as they swing for home. His Specialist now racing away by about 6 lengths over Jalapeno, G.I. Jane. Last 50 meters, it's all his Specialist. And finally, his Specialist. Jalapeno, G.I. Jane, then comes Mr. Dynamite, the Avenger, Quaker Seal, Bukumax, and Jaden Dugo.
Yes, fourth straight victory coming from Specialist.
Napupunto, partner. Oh, magaling.
Unofficial winner natin, Specialist.
8-6-3-5-4. Dihado yung na-tercero, G.I. Jane. Alright. Easy win for Jockey June Reyes on top of Specialist dito sa ating race number 6. Panoorin natin muli